today I'm gonna cook what FF eat when they are in jail.
Fry garlic on a medium heat until it is fragrant. Add beaten eggs. Scrap them from the bottom. When eggs are still soft, add overnight rice. Stir-fry them together. Flatten rice to break the crumbs. Time for carrot and green beans. Pour soy sauce on the pan, not directly on the rice, so the heat enhances the soy aroma. Add a little bit of sugar, green onions. Time for salmon. Heat oil on a high-medium heat. Lay salmon on the skin side first. I seasoned it with salt and pepper already. Let skin side cook until it is crispy. It takes around 4 to 5 minutes. Flip to other side. Total time will be around 12 minutes. I serve it with milk like in the scene. Simple and delicious. Cheers!